Hello friends, this is Ishan and you are watching Ishan Tech Tutorials, and today I am here with a video on how to create a YouTube channel from Android mobile. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to create a YouTube channel is an Android mobile phone. Android phones are easily available at everyone's home. That's why it's very easy to create a YouTube channel. So you can see my mobile screen on the right side. So let's start creating a YouTube channel. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to open YouTube. And after that you have to click on accounts. And after that you have to click the plus icon. After that you have to give your pattern for verifying. So they are checking info. After that you have to click on create account over here, and you have to click for myself. After that you have to enter your name. So let me enter YouTube creator for example, and you have to click next. After that you have to enter your birthday. I am entering 1st January 2000 for example, and gender is male. And after that you have to click on next. After that you have to create a Gmail address for your YouTube account. So I'm using example abcdef439@gmail.com. So let's click on next. So now they are taken, and after that we have to create a password. Let me create a password. I've created a password. Let's click next. They need minimum of 8 characters, so let me enter 8 characters. Now they have taken. Now you can add your phone number, but I'm skipping this process. And they are saying to review your account info. You can use this Gmail address to sign in later. So I've reviewed. Now let me click next. And you can read all these terms and conditions, and you can click on I agree. They are getting our account info, and after that they are checking our info. Now you can give your email ID over here. Example. After that you have to click next. So they are saying this account already exists on your device. So let me check. So you can see it is already signed in YouTube creator, and this is our email ID over here. And you can create your channel from this button, your channel button. So let's create a channel, and they will ask you YouTube as YouTube creator. You can also change your name from here, but I will not change the name. After that you have to create channel. So let me click create channel, and they are showing channel created. After that you can visit your channel from this button. They will show no subscribers, and they are trying to create a video. And you can also edit your information in about from customize channel. You can go to settings from here, channel settings. You can edit your photo. So you can edit your profile photo from here, this is your channel's name. You can also edit your channel name from this pencil icon over here. And this is your channel's description. You can edit your description from this edit button. And this is your privacy. They are asking keep all my subscriptions private, so I'm enabling it, and keep all my saved playlists private, so this also I have enabled this. And after that you can check all your notifications over here, and you can visit your YouTube studio from here. So let me visit my YouTube studio. You have to change your account first, YouTube creator. Now they are showing subscriber count temporary unavailable because there are no subscribers for your account. And here they are showing you don't have any videos because I have not created any videos till now. If you create your videos, then you can see your video analytics from here, and watch time minutes will show over here, views will show over here, and real time views in 48 hours, real time views for last published videos, watch time in minutes, and total views in last 28 days, subscribers in last 28 days, and likes versus dislikes in last 28 days. And here you can see all top videos in last 28 days. And this is your discovery. This is your impressions will show over here, and impressions click-through rate will show over here. And you can see your top traffic source type from here, top external sources, top YouTube search terms, top videos suggesting your contents, top playlist playing your content. You can also check your audience, gender, age, top countries, top subtitles, CC language. And you can see your playlists, number of times playlists were viewed, and videos views in playlists, and other things. So this was a video on how to create a YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.